expectation and ends with an experience. Beautiful thing about today is that we have a choice to make it better than yesterday. Awesome morning to everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. Today's morning assembly is being conducted by students of class 8A. Theme of our assembly is Let's Learn from Nature. We feel glad to welcome back you all after Diwali break. On behalf of Army Public School, Clementown, let's continue to do our best in everything we do. Let's enjoy learning and keep on doing things that make our school feel proud of us.
Join your hands, close your eyes, and start the morning prayer. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him, serve Him, serve Him in the morning, serve Him in the noontime, serve Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him, thank Him, thank Him in the morning, thank Him in the noontime, thank Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him when the sun goes down. Praise Him when the sun goes down.
Today's thought is nature is the beautiful art of God that teaches us the art of living. I repeat the thought. Nature is the beautiful art of God that teaches us the art of living.
Today's word of the day is perspective, meaning perspective is the way that one looks at something. Usage: everyone looks at the world from their own perspective.
Nature gives us love from beginning to the end of our life. It is our best teacher. Every component and act of nature teaches us something. Today we will tell you about the things which we can learn from nature.
Nature teaches us to share without any selfishness, just like a mother who always gives unconditional love to her children. The sun teaches us that every day is an opportunity to shine. The sun gives its energy to the entire world without any discrimination. We should also look at things from an impartial, broader perspective. The sun teaches us to be punctual and not to worry about the ups and downs in our life, as even the darkest night ends and the sun rises again. All we need to do is have faith and patience. Just like the season changes, we must learn to accept changes in our life. Rivers inspire us to keep on moving ahead and never stop under any circumstances.
Be firm like mountains and never be afraid of difficulties. Spread happiness all around and be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. From pets, we learn that love is not always expressed by words. The ants and bees teach us the importance of teamwork and unity to achieve great things.
We can also learn the topics of our subjects from nature. Here are the glimpses.
freedom and potential available to us if we release our fears. We must dare to take our first flight, spread our wings, and soar. Waves inspire us to never fail in rising again. We must keep on trying despite the obstacles and challenges faced on our path to success. Beauty lies in its simplicity, and nature is the best example for this. Every flower has a lifetime in which it blooms to the fullest. Life is short. We must rejoice in every moment and live it to our best of capabilities.
Nature doesn't hurry, and yet everything is accomplished. We should not rush on anything. Everything happens on the right time. Nature is indeed God's precious gift and a beautiful creation, and we should value it. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
I promise that I will take precaution to stop the spread of coronavirus. I will always wear mask, maintain distance of 2 meters and wash my hands with soap regularly. Together we can fight coronavirus.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता